Just got done with Smart Sweets. Only 80 calories. Boom, no sugars. That's my goal. Pickle juice. Basic Rooster stuff. Taking my daughter to her friend's house. Basic Rooster stuff. Trailer park. Helping a good in Walmart. Cereal aisle. Basic Rooster stuff. Living in a winter wonderland. Piece of driving. Basic Rooster. Basic Rooster stuff. Harry Potter Legos. Walk into the Basic Rooster stuff. And creamer. Basic Rooster stuff. In room 3. In the gym. Radio metal. Basic Rooster stuff. Basic Rooster stuff.